So welcome to Center Parcs Woburn. We are back again. This time we're staying for a week. It's our last family trip before I go off to uni. They're currently pottery painting. We've already done indoor climbing and I am disgustingly sweaty, so I'm trying to figure out where to go. I'm gonna go this way. I'm just randomly walking out. Family, we're here at the big family quiz. We'll take seven. We'll take seven. Emily, where are we going?
We're going to do laser combat.
Wow!
Get the other guy.
Badminton.
You're going to back massage. Emily's getting a facial. Mum's getting a deep and I'm getting a head massage. So I'm finished with my I had a scalp treatment. My hair's all oily now. Awkwardly walk back to the lodge of my really oily hair. I believe we are going home now. Well, I don't believe. I know we're going home now.